and snow on hill by hill, and Boreas with his blasts bold was threatening o'er Caetekel. Then Belle, my wife, while love's no strife, she said to me, recht hastily,
Get up, good man, save Crombie's life, and take your old cloak about ye. Crombie is unuseful cool, and she's gone quiet kind. Left has she wait the maids room, and I am lief that she should time. Get up, good man, it is for time. The sun shines in the left sea, sloth never made a gracious inn. Take your old cloak about ye.
My cloak was in Sir Gadgary cloak when it was fitting for my wear, but no, it's scantly worth a groat, for I want this 30 year. Let's spend the gear that we won. We little ken the day will be that I'll be proud, since I swore dead on your cloak about me. She loves the strife, but she would guide me if she can, and teement in an easy life by aft one year, oh, I'm good man, not to be won at woman's hand, unless ye gie her all.